Polygon could see a 2.6% retracement tomorrow based on Gov Capital. Let's start with what's unfolding on the chart today. Today's update shows Polygon up 0.5% with a price around and 8 cents. Now, let's explore the forecast section. Coin price forecast puts the price at an 8 cents tomorrow, about 0.5% below now. 30 rates projects a move down to an 7 cents for Polygon, which implies a loss of 0.9%. Coin data flow points out it might fall to an 7 cents, roughly 2.3% lower than now. A different analysis from Gov Capital projects Polygon could move downward to an 7 cents, a potential loss close to 2.6%. And finally, crypto predictions expects the price to fall to an 7 cents by August 7, 5.3% lower than now. This is the most profitable forecast we've reviewed. That's the end of the 5 calls. Let's carry on. Let's now explore how each forecast might play out. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decline of 5.3% and a decrease of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. Reviewing the results, crypto predictions shows the highest return with 5.3% gain in value by August 7. So it turns out you might see gains of between $5 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, Coin Price Forecast has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 77.4% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. Based on the consensus view, Polygon is expected to lose around 2.3%, approaching an 7 cents. Here are the key details. The consensus outlook indicates a 2.3% fall in price by tomorrow. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 2.3%. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $23 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 58.2%. Before moving forward, let's review how analysts project the 3-day outlook. Coin price forecast indicates that Polygon is likely to remain steady. The outlook from 30 rates likewise shows the price climbing further. According to additionally coin data flow, Polygon is set to slip. Likewise, Gov Capital anticipates downward movement in the near term. Likewise, crypto predictions emphasizes selling pressure dominating. The consensus outlook signals downward momentum, with Polygon leaning lower through this horizon. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on Polygon. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at an 7 cents. 2 of 5 forecasts lined up with the real market direction. If the focus is accuracy, crypto predictions was ahead of the rest. Time to sort through the results. Only one analyst outlook aligned with the trading range. As for ROI, several analysts showed gains, with the highest return reaching 1.4%. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. With 52.2% forecast probability and 0 to zeros $3,231,757,715 accuracy, Gov Capital achieved an ROI of -1.4%. Pay attention to the table and notice who seems most in tune with the market. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for Polygon and the others. This time Polygon isn't first as Filecoin posts 5.7% potential gain. Currently, Polygon is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison for many others is already listed on my website. If this multi-analyst breakdown was helpful, hit like and subscribe to catch the next one. See you at the next update.